I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Here's the March 16th, 2021 watch list, at least what I'm watching. Alright, so AAME, really want to see it get above the 434, 435 mark and hold. EMKR, one of my favorites. We'll see. We'll see. Grill, right? We're looking for this to come down a little bit. We'll let the pumpers build it up for us. NACD, still watching. I mean, I like it. We'll see if we can hold. As long as it holds 93 cents, I'm kind of interested in it. PBLA, going to look for continuation, right? We'll see if we can go from a 4.5 to a 5.5 and, get to the 8.8. ATOS, really, we can kind of see resistance here. If it gets below here, 289, 2 cents, you can expect downward. But the other way is just as true. We get above like 312, we can go the other way. BOXL, this is fascinating. We have the same sort of setup here with the possible shorts. Paid 3.8 for it recently. It's at 2.6, so there's a chance that there's value here. BRQS, right? That's a line from back when. So BRQS, when we start to climb back through this, 162, kind of recently it was 335. This volume doesn't look like it's gone very far, so we'll see. BSGM, right? Crossing MACD there, we can get to there. If there's any shorts, they'll help us get through it. 437 was 614 is their value. We'll see. Ears is one of my favorite. Yeah, it just is, right? We can see it get above 4.4, 4.5 and really hold. There's no reason we can't come through this. FRSX, this thing is what it is. Any kind of real volume. So this is something I'm watching for volume. Volume could easily take this from 7.8 to 12.4 because we got the pivots that we can take all the way through here. So we'll see. GENE, high is 8. I think the all-time high is 10 something. Its float isn't huge. They do come out with positive PR. So we'll see. TMBR. So TMBR. This is kind of strong selling, but there's no volume. So we just gotta let this develop. If we see it get above 2.8 and really get support, we can go back to 3.6 pretty quickly. And FNIV. So we can see this volume. It was all buying. There's strong support here. These guys, they're just not selling. They're just not. So we can see it get above like the 8.2 range, maybe the 8.3 range, and hold. 770 aftermarket. But this is shaping up. It's really about when these guys want to get out. So it's something we gotta watch. News or volume, they won't get out and they'll support it up. That's it.